Here we have a concrete floor that was built approximately 15-20 years ago, which was used in a large packing industry. The surface was very worn and decorated. The new tenant is one of the leading e-commerce companies worldwide. He required a floor with extremely clean and resistant specifications, and with a very high standard. The Twin Cure system, developed by BECOSAN, has two components that are applied on the concrete and penetrate deep into its core, producing a chemical reaction that provides a dense and very resistant floor, as well as a very easy-to-clean surface. Due to the nature of business operations in this industry, it requires a flooring solution that provides high abrasion resistance, a large durability, and a surface which is very easy to clean. The shine can be obtained on demand and according to the needs of each customer. It depends on the necessities that a customer has in his industry and that satisfy his needs of shine, luminosity, and aesthetics. Due to the finishing achieved on the floor, we create a very easy-to-clean surface, since it minimizes the adherence of products poured on the floor, facilitating their removal and therefore obtaining an easy-to-clean concrete surface with reduced maintenance costs. Twin Cure allows us to obtain a very resistant surface, especially in industries with heavy traffic, high intensity in multiple directions. The system is suitable for small workshops as well as for large logistics companies with a very intensive use.